And love.
And love.
It's a lot of things
that make me smile.
My daughter make me smile.
Mother, I love you.
Over the blue. You know. My brother make me smile.
My brother make me smile.
My mother make me smile.
My mother make me
My
smile.
sister make me
My sister
smile.
make me smile.
Even though you know we going through a lot of problems. My niggas make me smile. I love a lot of niggas, you know. But they never know who it is. They never know who I'm there for, you know. That's how the way I want to keep it. But a lot of things make me smile.
You know, niggas that I hate make me smile. Niggas I would love to kill make me smile. Niggas I want to make commit suicide make me smile.
Yeah.
Children make me smile.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of things make me smile in the streets that I see. Sometimes I don't really want to smile, cause a lot of shit is just going through my mind. Yo, a lot of shit just going through my mind. If only people knew how things that's going in my life. My shit is fucked up in my motherfucking life, but I still smile at children, smile at my mother, smile at my brother, cause I fucking love them. I die for them, and dog in the rest. That's how it is, crime side to the death. I smile for the whole ESG. I smile for the whole LSP and the whole CMD. I smile for my nigga Woo, and my nigga Midnight, and my nigga Nell, and all my niggas that's cased up in the cell. I even smile at the dollar sign click, yeah, the dollar sign click. I even smile, cause I'm a snake in the grass, cause these fucked up motherfucking streets is in the grass, so I gotta slither. Yeah, I gotta fucking slither, yeah, I gotta slither. Yeah, I gotta just slither. I smile at my daughter cause I love her a lot. That's another side of me, yeah, I love her a lot.